Greetings from Edu aspirants. In the series of our videos for class 10 boards revision question answers, let us see what we have for you in this fourth video of biology and science. In this video, we shall cover the important questions on the chapter heredity. 1. A trait in an organism is influenced by paternal DNA, maternal DNA, both maternal and paternal DNA, neither by paternal nor by maternal DNA. Mark your choice. Let us see the answer. It is C, both maternal and paternal DNA. This is because each parent contributes equally for genetic material of the child. 2. From the given list, select the character which can be acquired but not inherited. Color of eye, size of body, color of skin or nature of hair. Simple. Mark your choice. Let us see. Answer is B. Inherited traits are those traits which are passed from one generation to another through specific genes. Any change in DNA of the germ cells will be passed, whereas acquired traits are the traits which are acquired by the organisms in their lifetime. There is no change in the genes of the germ cells in acquired traits. Third, a zygote which has an X chromosome inherited from the father will develop into boy, girl. X chromosome does not determine the sex of the child, either boy or girl. Choice? Yes, answer is B, that is girl, because females have XX. In human beings, males produce two types of sperms, X and Y, while females produce one type of egg, X. If the X type of sperm fertilizes the egg, the sex of the baby will be female. If Y type of sperm fertilizes the egg, the sex of the baby will be male. If two parents have the genotypes capital AA into small a, the probability of having a small aa genotype in the F1 generation is 25%, 50%, 75% or none of these. Answer is D, none of these. Why? Parents caps AA, small aa, gametes A capital, A small. F1 generation will be A caps, A small. What does this mean? It means that only cap A small a type of individual is formed, hence probability of having small aa genotype is 0, which is not in the choice. 5. In peas, a pure tall plant, capital TT, is crossed with a short plant, small tt. The ratio of pure tall plant to short plant in F2 generation is 1:3, 3:1, 1:1 or 2:1. Let us see the answer. It is C, that is 1:1. How? In the F2 generation, tall and short plants are produced in 3:1 ratio. Out of the 3 tall plants, only one plant is pure tall, capital TT, and the other 2 are hybrid, capital T small t. Thus, the ratio between a pure tall plant and a short plant will be 1:1. 6. Which of the following statements is incorrect? For every there is a gene. For every protein there is a gene. For production of every enzyme there is a gene. For every molecule of fat there is a gene. Answer is D, and why? For every protein, hormone and an enzyme there is a gene which directs and controls their synthesis, but fats are not synthesized by genes. 7. The number of pairs of sex chromosomes in the zygote of humans is 1, 2, 3 or 4. Let us see the answer. It is A, that is 1. An adult human has 23 pairs of chromosomes, out of which 22 pairs are autosomes and one pair is the sex chromosome. So answer is 1. This brings us to the end of this video in biology, and this is the final video for biology. Keep revising and thank you for viewing. Subscribe, like, share and do press the bell icon for updates on other subjects for the board exams.